Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to keep insects out of your house. So I did another video where I replaced this bug brush right here. It's the brush that goes all the way from the top to the bottom. It was all worn out. So all you have to do is peel the old one off and stick the new one on. I'll put a link to that video in the description. And then we're actually going to do a little more. So this house actually never had one along the bottom here. And if you look very, very closely at the very bottom, there's a very nice large gap because the wheels need to move. There's a big gap underneath the door, so insects can make their way in there pretty easy. So we're gonna actually put a bug brush on there too. So all we have to do for that is just open up our door. So this is the track where it slides right here. The wheels go along here. So we're actually gonna put the bug brush facing up on this little piece right here. So this is the new bug brush. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. All we have to do is just peel off the back of it. And it's got its own adhesive. And then we're going to stick it on to the frame. Just make sure your frame is nice and clean before you do it to make sure it sticks well. So just like that. And I like to peel it as I stick it. Don't peel the whole thing off. You might accidentally stick a part to something you don't want it to stick to. And then you just run along the length of your door frame here. And then I like to just kind of fluff it up with my hand, just like that. So now, when you go to close it, there's still a bit of a small gap, but it's not so bad. It closes off quite a lot of the gap, and the door still opens nicely, but the bugs aren't going to walk their way in as easily. So that's all there is to that one, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully the insects stay out of your home this winter. And as always, please like and subscribe.